Welcome to one of the most advanced soap factories in the world. I'm Marcus, and I've been a production manager here for over 20 years.
From natural oils to your bathroom pride, every step combines ancient chemistry with modern precision. Let's start at
Soap begins with fats and oils, the fundamental building blocks. These tanks hold thousands of tons of carefully selected.
Palm oil provides hardness and creamy lather. Coconut oil creates abundant bubbles. Olive oil adds moisture.
Acid value is within range. Clarity is perfect. Specifications verified.
We're at 50,000 liters and holding steady.
Verified. Thanks.
Sodium hydroxide, caustic soda, or lye, is soap's essential partner. This powerful alkali transfers.
Here we see how the sodium isodium bracide and AA is the ester linkage.
Fragrance transforms functional soap into sensory experience. Our perfumers create signature scents from thousands of natural and synthetic aroma compounds.
Beyond basic soap, we add moisturizers, colorants, exfoliants, and therapeutic ingredients, creating products for every skin type and preference.
Water quality affects every soap we make. Our treatment system removes minerals, chlorine, and impurities, producing pharmaceutical-grade water for production.
Every soap starts with a precise recipe, exact ratios of oils, alkali, water, and additive.
Yes. We've got our recipe locked in, and now comes the chemistry that humans have tracked for 5,000 years. Let's watch oil.
Saponification is immersive chemistry. Alkali breaks oil molecules apart,
Industrial saponification happens in massive reactors, precisely controlled vessels where oils and alk combine.
Modern factories use continuous saponification. Oils and alkali flow through column reactors, achieving
Fourth, saponification releases glycerin, a valuable moisturizer. We recover this precious byproduct for cosmetics,
After glycerin removal, liquid soap is dried into flakes or pellets. Vacuum spray drying removes moisture.
Forward. Complete saponification is verified in the lab. Residual alkali must be minimal for safe, gentle soap.
Hence, our soap base is complete and certified. Now comes the artistry, transforming basic soap.
Bar soap production begins with amalgamation, blending dry soap base with fragrances, colors, moisture.
Triple milling is the signature of premium soap. Massive rollers crush and shear the soap mixture, creating uniform.
The plotter compacts refined soap under vacuum, removing air bubbles that would weaken bars. Twin screws for
The cutter divides continuous logs into precise bar blanks, each one weighed to within 1 gram. Speed synchronized perfectly with extrusion rate.
High-speed cameras inspect every bar at 200 per minute, rejecting any with imperfections. Our quality fresh bars cure for 24 to 48 hours, moisture stabilizing, bars hardening to final consistency. This Our bars are perfectly formed and cured, but we also make liquid soaps, a completely different process. Let me show you.
Liquid soap uses different chemistry. Surfactants, preservatives, and thickeners create the flowing consistency we expect. Color transforms liquid soap from functional to desirable. We use FDA-approved colorants that remain stable through the product's shelf life. No fading, no separation.
Viscosity determines pump performance. Too thin and soap runs everywhere. Too thick and pumps struggle.
Our liquid filling lines process 300 bottles per minute. Precision filling, capping, and labeling in one
Foaming soaps use special diluted formulas and foam-generating pumps, creating luxurious lather with less product. Better for environment and consumer value.
Transparent soap requires specialized chemistry, Glycerin, sugar alcohols, and careful processing create bars you can see through.
Medicated soaps require pharmaceutical standards, active ingredients like sulfur for acne, coal tar.
Natural and organic soaps use certified ingredients only. Organic oils, plant-based colorants.
Bars curing for 4 to 6 weeks, longer than standard. The extended cure developing mildness and hardness, requiring patience for a premium product.
Hospitality and institutional products require specialized formats. Millions of guest soaps, single-use packaging.
Quality assurance ensures every product meets our standards, from raw materials through finished goods. Our laboratory
Alkali testing confirms complete saponification. Residual lye must be below safe limits. Every batch is verified before release. Lather testing quantifies what consumers feel: foam volume, creaminess, and stability. We ensure rich, satisfying lather that signals effective cleaning. Microbiological testing confirms product safety, especially critical for liquid soaps with water content. Every batch is verified pathogen-free.
Packaging presents product and presents brand diagram. Heist wrapping lines dress each bar in its retail identity.
Robotic case packers gently load products into shipping cases. Vision-guided systems handling diverse products with precision and care.
Our distribution center holds millions of products, organized by retailer, region, and shipping schedule.
Bills of lading for the nationwide shipment. Everything seems correct.
Looks good. Signed and ready to roll.
From local stores to global markets, our products travel by truck, rail, and ship to consumers on
Sustainability drives modern soap making. Certified sustainable palm oil, organic ingredients, and responsible. Innovation continues. Solid shampoo bars reducing plastic. Concentrated formulas minimizing water. Probiotic technology.
Introducing our new prototypes. We've combined sustainability and convenience with these solid bars and our new refillable system.
Behind every product are the dedicated professionals who make it possible. Scientists, engineers, operators, and quality experts.
What an incredible journey. From ancient oils to the products that protect health, and bring daily moments of freshness.
Patron for twins. I'm proud to be part of this essential industry force and grateful you joined us behind the scenes. Every time you